Mercury's been around since 1939. Back in 2012, roughly, I went on a mission to bring FDM 3D printing technology in here to Mercury, and it was Stratasys.
The benefits that we've experienced would be faster production times, cheaper part production, and being able to design and build equipment and fixturing that we would not be able to traditionally machine or would be difficult to traditionally machine. We had a fixture that was needed that had a fine internal spline, but that spline would have been very hard to cut. We would have had to cut it via wire EDM. So in this case, we decided we were going to 3D print the spline instead using the Nylon CF10. And then I developed the whole tool, printed it out on the F370CR. So it would have taken at least a month for our outside wire EDM manufacturer, and here it took about a week in total between design, a couple of prototypes, and the finished tool.